Good afternoon. So we have a new GT3 Touring in for front end PPF ceramics, basically a new car protection. It has PPF on it currently, but it's a bad install. It was done down in London by Topaz. You can see so many of the panels have it on, and a good install, realistically you shouldn't be seeing the PPF. In my opinion, as an installer, it's just OCD, I suppose. It's in the name. But yeah, I'll walk you around, show you the before PPF. I've not done anything with the car as yet. I've still got to strip all the PPF off it, prep it. Yeah, wheels off, the whole 9 yards. So yeah, this one should be fun. We have to get this done by Wednesday. It's now Friday, so I will probably come in early tomorrow once I've got this PPF off today. Yeah, should be good. They've not wrapped around the edges, they've not wrapped under the badge. It's very much a non-wrapped PPF install. So the badge has been cut out rather than just taking the badge out and going under it. So it is Tuesday morning. I have been slaving away on this since Sunday morning to get it done ready for Wednesday for the customer. We've had a Ducati 848 arrive for coatings and machine polishing. I've completed all the PPF on this, so it's been extended from being a full front end pretty much to all the way to the back bumper, so over the arches, along under the doors, and then up into the back bumper and back spoiler, the electronic spoiler. Looking far better in terms of the install. We've actually managed to cover edges that are leading and some that are not leading, i.e. on the other install down that side of the arch, they'd missed by like 5 mil all the way down. We've gone round and tucked it. Yeah, far better install this time from us compared to the guys that did it before. Coatings are next. We got the wheels off. That was a 2-man job because of the torque specs, 600 Newton meters just to get that center lock off. So I've got to prep them, give the brakes a quick steam clean, ready for coating, and then we can start coating the car. Yeah.